Hello. This is the Join the Trip channel. We are located in an urban palm forest in Elche, Spain. It is the largest palm forest in Europe. There are only a few other palm forests in the world that are larger. The history of the emergence of this grove goes far back in time. It was formed by the Iberians in the 4th century BC. Later the Moors created an artificial irrigation system in this arid region, thanks to which the small grove grew into a huge palm garden. Later, in the Middle Ages, a set of laws was issued to protect the forest, and it has been protected ever since. The authorities first became interested in protecting the palm forest as early as 1265 after the capture of Jaime I, who prevented the destruction of the forest as an element of Islamic culture. In total, there are about 11,000 date palms in the forest area, the largest of which weighs about 10 tons. This palm tree is 165 years old and has become a real local landmark. In addition to palm trees, there are many other ornamental plants and flowers planted in the grove. You can even see rare species of cacti. If you will be vacationing in Alicante, I recommend you to visit this wonderful park. Just 20 minutes by car from Alicante and you are here. This was Join the Trip. Subscribe to my channel, it will be interesting and informative.